Want to record lessons so you can review them later, share them with others, or study at your own pace? Creating recorded lessons helps students learn at their own pace and revisit important topics anytime. In this video, I'll show you how to record an educational lesson using AceThinker free online screen recorder. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to record any content you capture, whether it's an online class, tutorial, or study material. So let's dig in and start recording lessons online with AceThinker free online screen recorder. Let's go through a real example where we record a lesson workflow, from opening the material to reviewing the final recording. You can also record streaming lessons, webinars, and educational videos from learning and social platforms for later review. Then, choose what you want to record. Enable your screen to capture the lesson, turn on your microphone for explanations, and enable system audio to record the other participants' voice and interactions. Now select the lesson you want to record, such as an online class, presentation, or study notes, and confirm screen access by clicking the Share button. Start recording and go through the lesson naturally. Whether you're a student reviewing material, a teacher explaining concepts, or someone saving a tutorial, make sure to highlight key points clearly as you go. Once you're done, click the Stop Sharing button and move to the Preview screen to review your capture. Review the recording to confirm that the lesson content is visible and the audio is clear.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our online session today. I am absolutely thrilled to have you all here, and today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of psychology.
If everything looks good, download your recording and save it so you can study it later or share it with others. Then, play the video and see if it's working on your device.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our online session today. I am absolutely thrilled to have you all here, and today we are going to dive into the fascinating. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our online session today. I am absolutely thrilled to have you all here, and today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of psychology. Over the course of this lesson, we're going to explore the science of mind and human behavior.
With AceThinker free online screen recorder, you can easily record lessons online and save them for learning, teaching, or reviewing whenever you need.